Hello everyone, Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss about the levels of meditations. So आप लोग अक्सर ये सोचते होंगे कि what meditation really is, क्योंकि several people जो हैं वो different types of meditations आपने करते हुए देखे होंगे. कुछ जो हैं वो simply मानते हैं कि like closing your eyes and focusing on your breathing is meditation. कुछ के लिए just focusing on any mantra or reciting a mantra such as Om or chanting Om is a form of meditation. Some कुछ जो हैं वो अपनी third eye यानी कि the point between your eyebrows, that is also known as the third eye chakra, उस पे फोकस करते हैं और या फिर कुछ अपनी बॉडी को फोकस करके मेडिटेशन करते हैं. सो हर कोई अपने डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मेडिटेशंस के थ्रू मेडिटेट करते हैं. एंड वाई इज़ इट दैट इट हैपन्स लाइक दिस. अगर मेडिटेशन से हमें पहुंचना एक ही पॉइंट पर है, बट द रूट दैट वी आर टेकिंग इज़ डिफरेंट फॉर एवरी पर्सन. कुछ को इस सिंपली फोकस करने से ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट मिलती है, कुछ अपना थर्ड आई एक्टिवेशन से उन्हें मेडिटेशन में ज़्यादा बेनिफिट्स लगते हैं. So everybody has their own type or different type that of meditation that they can do, and they are teaching it. And why is it so? Because there are several types of meditations, and कौन सी meditation करनी चाहिए जो हर कोई कर सकता है, या everybody can do this? Why not everybody can do the same kind of meditation then, right? So because the ultimate aim क्या है meditation का, वो है to attain that level of consciousness or ultimate level of liberation known as moksha. So ultimately we don't all are at the same level of meditations. Some are just starting, some are in the middle, some are a little deeper into meditation. So there are various stages of meditations. Now there are some questions we often have that we keep searching the answer for, like we find that answer like after we read some books, we read some scriptures or religious books, or we attend workshops on meditations. So we need to find out exactly what type of meditations are and what levels of meditations are, and how we can go through those levels to reach our ultimate aim or of meditation. सो फॉर दैट इन रियलिटी जो मेडिटेशन है एक प्रोसेस है बाय विच वी ऑल गेट यूनाइटेड बाय दैट इनफाइनाइट सोर्स. So if you are somebody who is already aware about this, that you are not this body but you are something more than that, that is you are the soul. So the ultimate destiny of your soul is to get united with that universal force or energy from where you have come, and that is the ultimate destiny, also called as liberation, or what we call in Hindi as moksha. And the meditation is that process by which this liberation is possible. But that is the final stage or level of meditation. Now, for ease purpose or for categorizing the various stages, meditation, it can be actually categorized into a stage-wise process. And I will be able to explain to you that, like, why there are several types of meditations and which meditation can be done by any person. So when a person is completely new to meditation or to the world of meditation, he or she may meditate only at the surface level, which is the stage 1 of meditation. Now, what the objective of this stage of meditation or the level 1 is that to feel relaxed, calm and stress free. So because आजकल के life में everybody is stressed out due to work, due to responsibilities, due to financial issues. So this is the first step that usually people resort to. That is the level 1, to attain that peace and calm within their body and mind. And that is just a surface level of meditation. Now very less, there are very less emotions in their mind. They just focus upon their own breathing and their body sensations, and with the help of which they are able to feel calm and peaceful. Now, thoughts still arise in the mind when they meditate at this stage, and that is completely normal. But what happens is that it is not that the thoughts will not be coming into the mind when they are doing these meditations. एंड इन काइंड ऑफ मेडिटेशंस में कौन सी मेडिटेशंस है, जैसे कि बॉडी स्कैन मेडिटेशन, माइंडफुलनेस मेडिटेशंस. These are basically those meditations which have this objective of feeling stress free, more calm and peaceful both in your mind and body. So this is the first stage, and the person becomes aware of their body first, their senses and their surrounding environments, and there is no deep of transformation in the person as such. So it is a temporary phase or stage of meditation where with the help of which the patient can do only at the surface level the meditation and attain that peace and calm. ना इसको अगर हम एग्ज़ाम्पल से समझें तो अगर आप किसी कैंडल को वॉच करें तो इट हैज़ द फ्लेम ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द कैंडल, राइट, विच इज़ अनडिस्टर्ब्ड एंड योर माइंड इज़ वेरी काम. When you look at that flame for some time, you will see that it is not flickering, it is there and it is completely stable. But after some time the flame flickers and it fluctuates, and something happens with these meditations also similar to the flame. So in this first stage of surface level meditation, जो पर्सन है वो बेसिकली अपना मेडिटेशन को अनडिस्टर्ब फॉर्म में कुछ समय तक रख पाता है, और बट आफ्टर दे हैव पास थ्रू दिस देन दे अगेन हैव दैट फ्लक्चुएशंस ऑफ फ्लिकर इन देयर माइंड एंड बॉडी. लाइक वो जब उस मोमेंट में मेडिटेशन करता है, दैट टाइम ही फील्स और शी फील्स कामनेस, पीसफुलनेस एंड रिलैक्सेशन, and they may feel stress free. But if they continue doing that, then they will have that level of calmness and peacefulness within them. But this is only at the surface level. They don't have that inner transformation where they can actually control, or they can automatically switch that button of having that peace and calm into a more deeper transformation. So that was the surface level meditation or the stage 1. अब हम बात करते हैं second stage, that is where the person goes from the first stage and then moves to the second stage. Now this stage is a stage where there is more deeper awareness and there is more deeper mental relaxation and expansion. Now they are able to enter into a more relaxed state of mind. That means that their alpha and theta brainwaves get activated, and when they enter into that alpha and theta brainwaves, then they are able to reflect on their inner self, that is their self-awareness increases and their reflection increases, and emotional healing starts to happen at this time. Now anybody who wants to access their subconscious mind, that means जो अपनी memory power increase करना चाहते हैं या जो अपने past traumas को heal करना चाहते हैं, those can be done at this second stage of meditation. And at this level the person gets more inner peace and they enter into a state of bliss, because a lot of washing has been already done in the first stage. So in this surface level it was only in the present moment that they would be feeling peaceful, and that peace would be in their life at the surface level temporarily. But in this level, when the person meditate in a more deeper way, like meditation for the third eye activation, like Om chanting or the third eye activation, then there is a deeper working inside these things, and that brings a more deeper bliss to them, and they are able to wash out or wipe out any negative thought patterns from their mind, and that makes them feel more happy even in difficult situations as they enter a state of bliss. So, this is the stage 2 of meditation. Now comes the third stage of meditation, and that is the stage where your energy gets activated. Now, what does that mean? That means that at this stage the person actually can do astral travel, and they may have feelings of energy movements in their body, that is the pran or the life force, and they can experience that pran or the vayu or the life force, whatever we call it, moving in their body. And so generally in this type of stage 3 persons, such as chakra meditations can be done, where they begin to activate their 7 chakras. And when the person meditates at this level, focusing on their chakras or the energy cycles or on their third eye, they are able to invite more intuitive powers in their life. So their dreams, they become more lucid and more clear. They develop extra sensory perceptions and awareness, and that emerges in them. Like उनके अंदर वो अनुभूति होनी शुरू हो जाती है कि कुछ होने वाला है, अगर और वो होता भी है, और दे ग्रेजुअली उनके जो चक्रास की ब्लॉकेजेस है वो रिमूव हो जाती है. सो इमोशनली दे बिकम मोर डीपली अवेयर ऑफ देयर एक्स्ट्रा सेंसरी सराउंडिंग्स, एंड उनका माइंड जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा सेंसरी अवेयरनेस में ज़्यादा डेवलप होता है और इमर्ज होता है. एंड दे आर गाइडेड बाय अ फोर्स दैट इज़ ऑलवेज knows that what is about to happen, what they should, when they should do and what they should not do. So these kind of magical senses or extra potential energies, they start to getting developed in such persons. Now so these are not like they are something extraordinary. They were already present in that person or in the person. Everybody of us, we have that energy or those powers, but it is only that they are not marked and they are covered by a mask. And only when we start doing meditations or we start working with this form of energy, then these masks gets removed and those powers or extrasensory perceptions and awareness becomes activated. So इसके अंदर किस टाइप की मेडिटेशंस यूजली की जाती हैं, जैसे कि कुंडली मेडिटेशन हो गई, साउंड मेडिटेशंस हो गई, जो कि हमारी इनर फ्रीक्वेंसीज के लेवल ऑफ ओपनिंग को वर्क करती हैं. They can be done at the stage at this where these types of meditations can be done. Now we move on to the fourth stage, and that is the stage that is known as where the transcendence occurs. Now that means the sense of the individual self or ego, that means it starts dissolving completely. The person starts connecting to their universal energy or intelligence, and so a deep sense of peace or bliss emerges in the person, and a timeless awareness gets created. So जो person इस level पे meditate करता है, उसके अंदर ये universal intelligence और level emerge होता है, and उन्हें ये feel होता है कि I am not different from other people and there is no limitation of the time in this universe. So it is a very deep state of meditation, with the help of which people, they can reach a spirituality level of awareness. Now they become more spiritual at this stage, and they go through a stage of spirituality, and they do these meditations, and by doing some atma vichar, that means that the sense seeking the guidance as to who I am. वो अपने आप को क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि who I am, why I am here. And in this kind of meditation, Soham meditations are very beneficial, or because they activate their entire potential, and they are gets connected with the other persons or people around them. So the difference between you and I, at this point, it completely starts dissolving. Now that was the stage of 4, or the transcendence form of meditation or level. And now we come to the final stage, that is stage 5, which is the most deepest form or stage. And here what happens is that a sense of non-duality, और in संस्कृत जिसे हम समाधि कहते हैं, वो develop होता है. Now what happens in samadhi is that there is a complete dissolution of the individual self. पेशेंट का कम्प्लीटली डिसोल्यूशन हो जाता है अपने आप से, वो यूनिवर्स के साथ एक वननेस में आ जाता है. दे कम्प्लीटली एंड एब्सोल्यूटली लिव इन दैट अवेयरनेस दैट देयर इज़ नो आई. Everybody who is living on this earth is a part of me, and I am a part of them. That means not only the human beings, but even the plants, the animals, and all those other creatures. We are all interconnected and we all are one. Now, not just the plants or animals or people, but whoever we see around us, they are all interconnected to us in a oneness. And it is beyond that the universe is one. This doubt comes from the logic, but with this meditation, it comes at such a deeper state of level that one person who realizes this, that everything is one and there is an inner self known, that the entire Brahmand or the universe is actually one, and there is no thing as a thought, as there is no thing as a time, or there is no identity of anyone. There is only one thing, that is like all are one, and they are interconnected as a single unit. And when this person becomes or comes at this state of level of meditation, that's where the liberation occurs. That is where we know or call the samadhi state of meditation. So these were the 5 stages or levels of meditations where one can go through to attain our ultimate aim of liberation or moksha. Now, not everybody wants to go up to that level, because everybody has their own priorities in life. Everybody wants to have other, some they just want to go through the surface level to attain or become stress free. Then some they just want to activate their more subconscious minds or their other deeper awareness. So now you can understand that why different people they meditate at different levels. So some they just do and go deeper, and some just on the surface level. So fact is that most people they just will meditate at the surface level, or just little deeper, that is where they can enter the delta or the theta state of mind. Now at this level they are not experiencing the true depth of the meditation itself, and they are unknown to this fact that there is much more into this journey and much deeper depth in this journey of meditation. And when they are unaware of this depth, and for maximum people they just work at the surface level, they find out that the results are fine, my stress is gone, and they feel okay with it. They can continue doing this type of surface meditations all their life, or even for some years, but they never usually move on to the deeper states, and they don't get the results as well, because something because they are not practicing it anymore. And in both the cases, like if you do it for some period of time and then you stop doing that meditation, it was only a temporary phase of improvement that you will notice. And when you move and go to the deeper levels and you increase your energy levels by chakra meditation, you remove those energy blockages, and your self-awareness towards your mind and body gets increased. Then you start moving into the more subconscious mind, where your brain waves they get confirmed or converted into the theta and alpha brain waves from the delta ones, and that is how you get into more deeper forms of conscious breathing. And once you get into that state, you go into a quantum reality of life. You go into that deeper state of mind where your kundali gets awakened, your chakras they get improved and functioning, and then you enter into the transcendental phase where your self ego, or the ego that I am everything, gets getting dissolved gradually, and you get gradually connected with the true self, that universal source or the power, which is actually the point where you reach that level of depth and consciousness. So if you continue to do this all every day in every routine part of your life, even if you do it for 10 or 30 minutes every day, and you will start feeling those subtle changes within your body and your mind. Your sensations will become more deeper. You will start to recognize subtle changes around your environment. You will start noticing that there are some synchronicities that can come and start coming into play that you were not noticing before. So that will be done only after you start practicing it every day. So in both these cases, they don't wander and they go into the deeper states. And these layers, they need to be crossed to reach that final stage of meditation. So now onwards, in your initial workshops, you can learn these processes where you can move from the surface level of meditation to the deeper levels. And then you get into those state of mind where you have achieved that oneness with the universe. So I hope you have understood the levels and stages of meditation, and in case you have any questions, we can discuss that in our next workshop. And you all have a great day. Thank you.